Good morning. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing well today. I am putting my jewelry on, and I'm going to tell you exactly why I'm in front of this mirror today. Yeah, I like that. Today I am going to take this hairstyle down, but I still don't want my Sisterlocks to consume me. So I'm going to probably put it back up in a different way, but I'm just ready for a different look. Not only will I be doing my hair, but I'll be showing you how I satisfy my urge to shop. I'm going to shop in my Poshmark closet. As a matter of fact, I've already done some shopping in my Poshmark closet. I've taken a few items down. This is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 long necklaces. Right there, so you can see the texture in them. I know my little sis, I love bright colors, is going to like that set of long necklaces just because of the color. As I take these down, I know you can see that this is already a nice style for me, but I am going to try to put this up in some way or another. Just this little hint of spring has given me an idea of how hot it's going to be this summer. In South Carolina on Saturday, it was 88 degrees. During the summer, the sun does not play with you. That's my favorite time of year. It is not for a lot of people. That's one style. Oh, it looks so good. It does. It looks so good. My Sisterlocks, they just don't fail me. They don't. I don't have bad hair days. I promise you that. All right. Looks like I'm going to a wedding or something. But I like this hairstyle. I really do. Now, I don't have to leave any of it down, and I know it. And that's the style, guys. That is going to be the style. Yes. And today, I'm going to also show you a few things that I shopped in my Poshmark closet for. I've shown you the necklace already. And now I'm going to show you 2 dresses that I shopped in my Poshmark closet for. These dresses are no longer available because I will be wearing them this summer. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my followers and my subscribers. But I especially love God because He's so good to me. He's blessed me over and over again. His mercies are new every morning. As it states in His word, He will never leave you nor forsake you. No matter what you're going through, remember that God is always with you. He'll be with you until the end of the earth. Have a wonderful day.